Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So I just got my little boxycharm for the month of October. It's so crazy. They just delivered it like literally right now. They ring the doorbell and then I go up there and then I'm like, what the heck? Was it like a ding dong ditch or what? What's going on? Saw nobody until I look on the floor and there it is on the floor waiting for me like, hello mensa, estoy en el piso, pick me up. So guys, I'm so excited. I just literally got this in the front door and let's go ahead and get started. I haven't opened it. Look, it's nice and sealed. Okay, I'm so excited. I literally just got home right now from doing errands and it's so hot here. I'm like burned up, but I'm so excited because it's fall weather and we got our boxycharm for the month of October and I kind of know what kind of palette I'm getting in here. So let's just go ahead and get started. Hello, Charmer. Ah, okay, I cannot wait. Oh my god. Okay, let's go ahead and start off. So first off in the box, this is what it looks like. It looks like we got a sponge. It looks like the name of it is Illuminati. Does it say Illuminati? It looks like it's Illuminati. Or I might be saying it wrong, I'm not sure. But it is a black little dupe, I guess, or a little wannabe beauty blender. I'm excited, but I could already tell that it is kind of stiff, like it's hard. So I'm like afraid that if I use it, it might be like too hard. Let me know what you guys think about this little sponge. If you guys got the same variation box that I did, by the way, let me see what kind of variation I got, because I know that there's a bunch of variations this month. Oh my god, that is so crazy. Okay. So I got variation 38. Oh my god, I wish you guys could see it. I don't know if you guys could see it or not, but it is variation 38. Wow. So there's a lot of variations and yeah, okay. So that was the first item that I got in my box. Let me see how much this retails for. Okay, so it is called Illuminati. It's a cosmetic sponge, and this one retails for $21, and it is an edgeless, reusable, high definition cosmetic sponge applicator. So that's what that is. This one was my very first item. Okay, we're gonna move along. So the next thing that we got is this really cute packaging. It's by the brand Touch and Soul. And the little packaging is so pretty. This would be like so me. The people that know me, like they know that's like so me. Okay, anyhow, so it's this right here, and this is a glassy, pretty filter? Glassy skin balm. Okay, maybe skincare? I'm not sure what this is. Okay. Oh, all right. This is so new. The packaging is kind of different. So it is like cream. Let me just apply some to my hand. This is very pretty. I am totally digging it. I thought it would be like this, but it's actually backwards and it's really cute. This is so cute. Okay, so what is this? So this item right here is, it's a Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. And it is an ultra hydrating primer for your skin with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin, and it creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Oh, okay. I actually kind of like it. It feels really, really good. It has a slight scent to it, but not that bad. It smells very like clean, like it smells really, really good. I think you guys would really like it if you guys get this actual item. And it is very hydrating and it's very glassy, like the name says. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is like a little sheen. And my skin has been very, very dry and crusty, and I'm more on the drier side now. I actually kind of miss my oily skin that I had before, but that's pretty cool. So that's awesome. I will be trying that out. That's pretty cool. All right, another item that we got is Elemis. And this is a superfood vital veggie mask. Okay, all right, so this right here is a superfood veggie mask. So get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smoothens, brightens for a softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Oh my god, I know I need this in my life. I need all the radiance that I could possibly get. All right, so let's see what this looks like. So I'm guessing it's green. I'm guessing it's a mask because it says it's a green mask, I think. Oh, I've tried Elements before and I like it. It also smells very good, very refreshing. It smells like healthy skincare. It smells so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it is kind of thick. So I will be using this. Okay, I like it. Okay, so this thing here retails for how much? Let's see how much this retails for. So this right here retails for $35. LMS, you are fancy. So that already paid off for the box because we paid $21 an hour. This glassy skin thing that we had already opened, this thing right here retails for $32. Dang, like these are very fancy items. Okay, we got two more things in the box. The next thing we got is this right here, and this is an iconic London lip plumping gloss. All right, and I like this color. It's so pretty. It's a very nude. Now, I do have a problem with nudes because if they're too pale, I look dead once they're on me. But let's see. That's what that looks like. Do you guys see that? I don't know. I like gloss, I love it, and I hate it because it's just it feels good on the lips, but I hate that some of them might be sticky, and I don't know, and like gloss just really doesn't last on my lips because I talk too much, and it just like wears out, and sometimes I don't like that. So anyhow, here's the pretty little gloss. It's a really nice color, so I think it's a good color. It will not wash me out. It's not that pale. Very pretty. It's a really nice color. All right, so this right here retails for $26. This retails for $26. I don't know if I would really pay for an iconic lip gloss for this much. I'm not even sure where they sell this brand, but it's a really pretty color, so that's cool that you get to discover new items that you would normally not buy because that's how you discover new stuff. So I really appreciate that. Give it a try. All right, so the last item is this right here. I knew I was getting this one. So I'm a cheater. And it has the bubble wrap. So my palette is the Marvelous Moths by Dose of Colors. I literally just left Ulta and they have this palette there at Ulta. And it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. These colors are so nice. It felt really, really good, like nice and smooth. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it does come with a little brush. It just fell. Okay, so it comes with a little brush, and these are the colors right here, and they're very, very pretty. They're so gorgeous. Like this just yells fall to me. Like the cooler tones, the oranges, the browns, like cool color tones are so fall. I love this. I don't know if you guys can really see it. This light is messing with me. But anyhow, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And then this palette retails for how much? So the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette does retail for $32, and it comes with 5 matte shades. And this is it. Let me add up the value. All right, guys, so my whole total value was of $146, and that's amazing because we only paid $21. Anyhow, I did put on this lip gloss. I have it on right now, and my first impressions is that I like it. Okay, I put it over my matte liquid lipstick, but it is, you know what it feels like? It feels like papuru, like it has like that little minty thing. I don't know how to describe it, but it does kind of tingle a little, and it's like a plumper kind of, but it's nothing that's not comfortable. It actually feels kind of good. I know how to describe it now. It feels kind of like a minty fresh. You know when you have like a mint and then it like refreshes your breath, but it feels like kind of cool? That's kind of what it feels like. It actually feels really, really good. And it's not sticky, and I like it. I actually kind of like it. Okay, all right, so there's that. Just want to let you guys know. Anyhow, I also went ahead and I damped my little sponge. It actually grew. This is what it looks like. It doubled in size. It does feel a lot softer. However, compared to my other sponges, it is still kind of hard. So I'm afraid, I'm gonna try it out. I'm afraid that if I use it, it's gonna be like hitting myself with rocks because it is kind of hard. But yeah, we'll definitely give this a try. That was the sponge. I'm excited. This box is actually pretty darn good. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this palette. I'm gonna take the little booty of the sponge. This is what it looks like. And we're just gonna set the concealer. So we're gonna prime my arm. Okay, I think we're nice and set now. The airspin smells like grandma, like an older lady, but it smells like good, you know? Like when I get to be an old lady, I don't know if I would smell like that, but I think it smells good. Anyhow, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start swatching. We're gonna start with the deep one right over here. Oh, this one's a very pretty plum color. This is what it looks like. And let's go ahead and swatch it right here. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's a little patchy, but that's okay. You could blend it out and you could like smoke it out. So that's very pretty. All right, the next one is this one right here. I'm not sure what the names of these are. Okay, so here is that next one, and this is a lighter berry plum shade. Okay, the middle one is this one right here, and I would use this like more for a transition. Before I actually apply the rest of the eyeshadow, I would go in with that one first because it's like a middle in between shade. Okay. One is lighter. We're gonna go in with the next shade, which is this one right in here. I'm gonna be using my pinky. We're gonna go in with that one. I am liking this lip gloss. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna hate it, but I actually kind of like it. Good cheater. Okay, so there's that lighter shade. That's a pretty shade. It looks more pinky, lilac kind of a color. All right. And then the very, very last one, it's this one right here. I'm gonna use my thumb. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. There's the thumb. Okay, and we're gonna put it right here. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a little baby pink. I don't know if you guys see it, but those are the colors. So gorgeous. Okay, so the names are Stain Wine. So it's gonna be this one right here is Stain Wine. This next one is called Spaced Out. This one's so cute. This one's called Wishy Washy. Oh, that is such a cute name. This one is called Rosy. And then the very last one is called Fluffy. Oh, those guys are so super cute. Okay guys, so this is it. This is what I got in my box. I got variation number 38. Let me know what you guys think about this box. I know that this is the last month that the boxes are gonna be $21 an hour because they're doing so many changes. I think that's awesome because you can upgrade your box, you can customize it. I am definitely going to be upgrading my box to is it the Supreme one? I'm not sure what the name is, but I think it's $35 a month, and I think it's worth it. I'm going to be definitely upgrading mine, so it will no longer be $21 for the rest of the subscribers. I think it's gonna go up to 25, but I think that it's still very reasonable for whatever you are getting. These items, like, it's always well worth the value. Oh my god, my hands are so dirty. Okay guys, so let me know what you guys think about this box. Let me know if you guys are gonna be upgrading your box. What kind of variation did you get? What kind of palette did you get? Let me know what you guys think. I hope that you guys like this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.